includes the main body, front wheel mechanism, steering wheel, backrest, and side mirrors. Let us start by inserting the front wheel mechanism into the front of the main body of the Buzz Rider, as demonstrated. Insert the steering wheel through the top slot of the rider and secure it by screwing it in as shown. Take both the side mirrors and insert them into the slots on both sides of the main body and lock them in by pushing till you hear it click into place. Moving on to the backrest, insert it in the slot as shown in this video and push to lock it into its place. Open the cell cap on the steering wheel and insert 2 AA batteries into the slots. Once done, screw the cell cap back on. Present for light and sound. The rider also supports an under-the-seat storage area for all your toddler's essentials. Now your rider is ready to go. Let your toddler ride away.